mama papa boni okoye yentie yi na di wo school mu di anka wo ba no no hu se me papa wo brain wo hwe me Akufo Addo wan ko school ni bi oni certificate no watimi atro ma Akufo Addo we ya onu ni certificate atimi a remote control wadua e ka se wo battery na se utirim na nya adwuma battery ni nye anu ti na jo mama wo se de battery no wo de mo nche hwe se battery ni ya anu ni suspension no and suspension no list of committee members na omo ade omu chia e battery nya adwuma eto omu be yi battery no no ma to atwene ade hama abobbo so to atwene ba bi
eti be onwa se bi ombe wi no so maame no kware ma ne tranche ne nso so ye hwe no battery na wo kan wasem so no ne maame no battery ni nti odi yensa
ani na san kofo no so battery nyina anye dabi owe ade we ye koso yi enti pasen ka o gidi se ne a lawyer for ka omubro from say prima facie case no se nka omuhu bibia betimi aye ntansa me ade abono a jo mahama be risk say me de men say kwa akoka premreto you won't touch the tail of a mamba when you can't kill it they won't
baby
enti no ade no dead
battery dey
from the onset battery na wu ya battery na nya adwuma ti bonkoso battery awu enjo mama won timi fa battery enya adwuma nse water e wo se ye adwuma mu na be dey no reset watch no enu nti na o si ti bonkoso no o de na famra kwan so we ka jo mama me no se me ebugabuga
yeah
we ka me kwa gina na mabua can one say me buy a Torkonoo go home proceed on leave
President Mahama be fro Ghana kunyan Bosome naimu anyway
yeah
na no last week and wonya 100 days 120 days no wonya but nyama waye nyina kire se Ghana ya waste your time for the past 8 years na say de bia meka no it took Ghanaians 8 good years, which is 96 months, to realize mistake or my year for voting for somebody like Akufo Addo and Bawumia to lead Ghana for 8 years.
Really?
Now, and get to Torkonoo suspension by no. The first people to react are MPP. Now I'm going so tomorrow is pregnant. That bastard. Now my wife and also my girlfriend is pregnant with will be aborted. Sir, akwara almost say him tomorrow is pregnant or a bastard. And he will not live to see that tomorrow.
Okay.
So that pregnancy will be aborted. Ebinu say bin see that. Adentina Chief Justice ye you know. Na se Ghana phone ma dia get to Torkonoo aya. By this time, be blame President Mahama cross I didn't know what trained by this time we know.
Edian why?
You see, one. My mention says I'm free petition ankasa. Petition wa. Omo petition to nipa train omo petition ye. Set get to Torkonoo as the Chief Justice omo say wa ye niam bia. En se mfato mnyini fro no. Da petition is supposed to be in confidentiality. Confidential.
Yeah.
Petition. And the petition is President Mahama and Sano. Nobody heard about it until President Mahama or refer petition to the Council of State. Nobody got to know Adia why I will move. Gertrude Torkonoo requested for a copy of the petition. President Mahama said we need problem. He requested 7 days or the bear responded. President Mahama said no, you don't have a problem. I will give you 10 days.
10 days.
General petition will be until that. Some why as soon as you are now venting a petition no be any. But the moment President Mahama had the copy of the petition, might get to Torkonoo. The next day, na MPP who the press conference. Say and some what petition me na frivolous. Then get to Torkonoo herself started petitioning embassies. Then MPP started petitioning clergy. Nana Matrankunya said they should stop Mahama from suspending or removing Chief Justice. Is it not enough for everybody to obi as a unity sin council or Badwemba to arrive at the conclusion say the Chief Justice leaked the petition?
Yeah.
Thinking so me as solicit support from the mother party, which is the MPP. Who be a Chief Justice? Yes, Chief Justice.
Not Chief Injustice.
And your Chief Injustice too. Your fro said, my lord, my ladyship. Atentrinia wa Ghana nyina now dano. You see, he who asks for equity must come with clean hands.
Yeah.
And it's a one now that atentrinia no. To the sense say wo obi petition Supreme Court against the electoral commissioner. Uni akra utimika say you or montchen kosi say wo beba no have set date because you are the Chief Justice.
Ani
Emrani say Chief Justice say wo tu kwan a simple unofficial say wo kwan na wutu no say nya Ghana dim mpo na wutu unofficial wo mpo kra na wutu kwan a e wo say wo call with your bodyguard.
Yes. Obambonti
because we your manager padie
ani
Obambonti bebia beku bia no anything na president ko baby a mama be is it always uncle for the nechi. This Chief Justice official visitor oko e was say ordinary bodyguard ekono o man bodyguard ne tenase and of for no ankasa ne ba e didn't replace the bodyguard. Plain take it no a ye twa ya I was say the bodyguard no and sa can say economy and state ye twa man no or me upgrade no because the other by na enye the bani taste and to my upgrade no to suit or non bani taste akwantu I was say the bodyguard Net2 no otimi yin free ho na odini kunu I replace it okofa Auditor General reports by ye judicial service or more auditor mo ye about you are your friend Miss Adam S.A. Torkonoo a ye get to Torkonoo ba to Kwaku United States of America AG per diem $10,000
asma can bre ben no
now you are by 2023 AG per diem $10,000.
Okay.
Sa per diem no was supposed to be paid to the security. Because that's what the law says. But security need onya per diem enye to mane transe. Eno de ne ba ko en otua sa per diem no. E de man ba. Adwuma be ne ba ne ko adwuma be na ne ba ne ko ye de ma Ghana. What's the idea? Taxpayers' money 160,000, which is 1.6 billion old cedis. Editrianaka as a per diem.
And humpu. Humo
take it. Take it. Ochama ne ba wo. What's your mere taxpayers meditria no? 109,428 Ghana cedis. Take it by civil servants. Okohe binum salary afi muni nyina the gross salary no even 50,000 but yet the 109,000 almost 1.1 billion OCDs each take it get to Torkonoo the take it the man ba and I was sad 160,000 and tinebano kwano we spent over 270,000
emoju
no kwa
emoju
o de no ato nchen o tu kwa Mr. Francis Kofi Torkonoo ni kunu o tu kwa ko Tanzania.
Okay.
Ye de aban sika from the office of Chief Justice $6,000 per diem enoje
6,000
ejuma ben no koye ye e de ma Ghana
hona asem no wono
adwuma be no kwede ma Ghana $6,000 ni ticket 74,160 Ghana cedis
eso
because say we only chief justice awoba wo ne twi no
ani wura
eniti no wono no tu kwa Tanzania koye na ade a na ye de bill na ba ne ya ma ne per diem ye ka se per diem ye sika ye tua ma obi a ya soma na wo koye adwuma ma o man Ghana ni ama ne per diem na no ye ko lanti ye feed Ghana program ye ko ye memi se adwuma ko ye adwuma ma ban enso per diem kra ya anje
okay
we wanya hwe ama Ghana but ye tua ne ka $6,000
but your phone is mami
oh dia odi producer way
what time no
producer way what the time on here
town no ye dey pound what
ya point time
or say 45
5 ya point time
okay 5:45 kasa
ya be 5:45
kasa
and we are 4:30
okay kasa
ade nyansae
kasa
no boya
meso bo
kasa tell me the team
o dia no to nchan a former chief justice
okay
eni ne ebo a ebo no kwa de so e kronfo wa wi obi bukata agin $5 million ono so na yire ono so tu kwan akwanti otu as a chief justice was say the bodyguard ne kono ono so man bodyguard tenafi ano de ne yire shemu na yire I did the madam Felix ofori oko United Kingdom otia ne per diem $14,000
okay
yeah eni yabo ayire ai uni aba enemy bom yiri sto ni aba e mo mabusa fo ku mani ma se oni bobi
oh ani bi o de hewo
no de wonye ebo ni kunu na ebo
oh ni obi ani shame no
oni bobi de mabusa fo am no magu mani ma se papa
mama tene baby na ni kunu egu na ni ma
per diem $14,000 ni take it $68,750
okay eni skaketwa
eni yebu a etwa akosane de to ho ena get Torkonoo ebaba to aso the same get Torkonoo Miss Edem Sarah Amiga Torkonoo one so ne take it kwa asere kaka no na 109,000 her honorable ladies Torkonoo na kasa ne personal travel anya nka we nya aban dia 99,000 take it just say aban sika na no do you know why they were able to do that? Because Akufo Addo a oye appointor no wono no odware wo wiem enti anim yebo a edi get Torkonoo so aba na obedi ye obi o chief justice bisa ho say won mu aye from public account committee chief directors that government institution dom kokotena ho live camera live television na ya huru omo no obu asika fa ne nsase enu even 3,000 obi di enu 30,000 but chief justice no and the mother of justice in this country. This is how we are abusing the office and misusing public funds, and you want to tell me say we should allow her to continue to stay? It won't happen. Chief justice aya auction cars aban cars aya kan ya hyehyem na dia to say before a buy auction aban Japade say ya asase say ye car I was a president approve
yeah
mami wait me from Russia in sem ama ajaje for makumaku dunu auction aban cars e de mawo ama aban cars car no value ya 3.7 million Ghana cedis. They didn't even pay the money. Do you know why she did that?
Oh, yeah,
A inducement. A inducement. Car was a president and a approver. Na ya born auction no. Or no chief justice you soon to me. And the cars ne ma or more for free. Car ne bossum 3.7 million Ghana cedis. And it's a wo. And I wo ye a judge ni and I me a chief justice. And a car was say president man ho kwan. And so what me abon don't me cry my president me the car na chew. Fa. which as a case bana me for some man nko ha onfanko a indictment on the judiciary. Chief Justice way yes had way, and you want to tell me say would deserve it to continue to hold that position as a Chief Justice? No, it won't happen. I judge for maku 30. Now or the allowance more as a rent allowance when the government has paid for it. By the time committee President Mahamadu set it up, no. By the time we be no, Mami no the Ghana for kabibri, I bet Jesus so. Me say
rent
I judge for maku 30. It was giving them the rent allowance when government has paid for it. And Quebec a double salary.
Adia by Netiano.
Yes.
No, I the man
yes, and a form of inducement to control the judiciary, because Akufo Addo and MPP's agenda was to control the judiciary. To share and local Supreme Court honomwa justice is a honomono. Mahamadu Bawumia, and I think that Tamas Dio Mbako. Kufo the Kratis are also call retirement. They can in Akufo Addo. Ope so chem say nyap dabi obeko okokra mo ha no mo ha no
wedi kan
na onim omde petition ko e no ensema etiti ene say ono no wan show any remorse wanu nu ho onim asema waka ne say sanse mu nyina no omu rezi e bra Akufo Addo ho e ma Akufo Addo kre no so ope so kire say one can say or you're guilty or not guilty. One can say some na mo kan me deny. Say nya no kre. Name double jeopardy. Na some say Akufo Addo honom no. Ye de sensible nyina to no so copy Akufo Addo anim. E ma Akufo Addo akle nti obi aya akle ne de. E see there na president for president akle no.
We're trying to refer to double jeopardy to mean she has already been punished. But what was the punishment?
That is it.
For a president, a former president to have cleared you didn't mean you have been punished for an offense.
Records no way. Approve an Akufo Addo the man one into court shin cast the justice judges away. Approve an way for. And at the end they see President Mahama hon kwan say obi the petition aba and Akufo Addo because Akufo Addo eyo appointo na mu nyina create loot and share akromfo abusua gangsters eni to no ni wi a usu wi abienti de petition kwa no botugu ye ena President Mahama aba ena Ghana for petition no ento person catch him say because say a petition against you and Akufo Addo nobody should petition against you and Mahama. Very arrogant. Enti no pe onadwen so obetime isu Akufo Addo so Akufo Addo a clear no nti roboa. The clearing agent Mahama is not a clearing agent.
Sana hono.
Yes, Mahama is not a clearing agent, and we're making that statement in clear.
I didn't hear.
One more petition against her and Akufo Addo. Did Akufo Addo refer the petition to the Council of State for a year advice? Or monkofa a year communicating fambra. Advice a Council of State at the buyer. Did Akufo Addo establish prima facie? Those petition. Who are the committee? Akufo Addo committee members. Akufo Addo set it up to probe, to see say, oh, Gertrude Torkonoo, you are guilty of this, blah 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 blah. But McCleo, away report no way, like President Mahama has done. Nisaka petition, was seeking advice from the Council of State members. I'm a Council of State. I establish a prima facie. Who sends some no ayakano? Ensure I was here vision. And it's President Mahama Titnanchan. Na mentia Bediatuo no mo hwensem. Did Akufo Addo do that? Akufo Addo. Ebesina minu kasei. One more petition against the removal of Charlotte Osei. Obi any mo. And according to Hopeson Adorye, or say who a Charlotte Osei petition no, ye drafty ye throw no Jubilee House. When Charlotte Osei requested for a copy or pursue who could request the abon cry and farm. Mano. Do who you see a unity? And you want to tell me say we should allow it to continue? akwan faso eyi Supreme Court justices say justice bi kra do bebe o say de kwa eye the General Legal Council and recommend say judge we do pempenso a was said in the Supreme Court. But this Chief Justice Gertrude Torkonoo single-handedly, because office or your boss, the way I now you show no TV swa or the bench in the swa kukuti wa bonche will be not the kukuti and who maswa katasi be about bon huntino. No timitna see at the list Ekoma Akufo Addo says judge for Makumaku Numwe appoint to a mobile a Supreme Court bench. So they will see can do some management or you know the oil. What is see a gross incompetence and abuse of office. Because Akufo Addo no sana no ye dear obedi na dear and in your boy the same thing no ye to no him say fufule na him say MPP in free power da and it's nobody mami bawo say nye Ghana for and a two abama NDC and a Mahamadu Bawumia ka fi say Ghana for be hu de call so de mami ka we will never know. Yeah, it's Ghana for mami no de ka we are Ghana ni we are Benjamin ni wakati ya say one on the team ye cha plane take it man ba ne ba won koye juma ma Ghana buy 109,000 1.9 billion na ye cha take it amano na ye tua ne per diem nyes ka ketwa 10,000 USD but opani we nyina echi ne kru je per diem $14,000 na ono no ti ho because Akufo Addo na wa appointing no wonu no dware wo wiem wonu no se Ghana sika wonu na mplanfo dware wo wiem to no as a chief justice so DP in any case asset committee ni asset definitely you be invited. Yeah, so if it's a superior case go suspension chere say jinanche tanchan na yan hwehwe nsem ya hwehwe nsem mu wie na otirimu fo anya otirimu fo obusum kunenku. Yeah, ya hwehwe nsem nyina wie na beto dwa say oh ya say wo me wo de wo ba e replace bodyguard oh enya no kre utia per diem 10,000 USD ma oba enya no kre. Yeah, wo di ukunu send bodyguard on your air travel official travel enya no kre utia 14,000 USD dollars ema ukunu as per diem enya no kre bra betrem say enya no kre say one facas ama air justice maku 15 auction cars I want 3.7 million Ghana cedis without approval from the president but say enya no kre say you recommended justices to be appointed onto the Supreme Court without the approval or without advice or consultation of the from the General Legal Council. Never change until what are you running? And so when you MPP for whom said there be say because reset na Mahama Kai no MPP for Romonti as Bamisa Afenyo. Okay. Now by the time Mahama is done with the reset, Ghana for who say yes, we have a new Ghana. Yes, we have a new Ghana. MPP Akufo Addo said that package Supreme Court to her, and all package Court of Appeal, and all package High Courts. And to him say Akufo Addo appointees here are buying corruption. Yeah, problem meaning I don't back court no. Either the case will go to the High Court. From High Court, so Anthony was here or back Court of Appeal. Yeah. One Anthony was here or Supreme Court. Enti what the crop for go to High Court be bought to go. Attorney General Becca to one tiers here or back Court of Appeal be bought to go. When the go Supreme Court about to go. That is the plan. Now no Mahama shall say dismantle no. Okay. And it's our snowman make what we are snowbar. Jine wo ho. Na se enyam no sam kwaso ne yeram hama wo yemsa. No. Hwade 2024. Ebra Afenyo Markin. Etimi ko Supreme Court. Ekosiki injunction. Oko anopa by 12 o'clock na Supreme Court. Etimi atranse the ruling amba. But when NDC and 5 political parties the electoral commission court the electoral commission so ba be limited registration venue anytime or person here or more court Supreme Court no. This Chief Justice was he only want to among chairman and son or beseti date no na after say electoral commission here registration every
yeah
na after say electoral commission no I registration every the same Afenyo Markin case or the call no whether or not say Speaker of Parliament ebe to me adesmese a 4 MPs are more independent. I name so constitution clear. Case from the court was not to determine whether the parliament should sit or not, whether parliament can sit or not. Then from nowhere, Mami Soria, what is going on? We are living in a country where parliament cannot sit. What is wrong? What is going on? You took Justice Gertrude no say, Madam, the substantive matter near the bar court one is not to determine whether parliament should sit or not. Also, okay, fair enough. We're exposing whom will be here, and this person doesn't qualify to sit there as a Chief Justice, and it's not going to be her removal alone. She must be held accountable. Let me say Dompreh can committee no.
Okay.
Dompreh, Anna. Ya wasafuma fukofa Crown Associate be wi aga na sika 1 million wose charge no ye kwaji sika na Akufo Addo so me kwaji sika na opamo Dompreh and me very sure and I'm very confident that Dompreh committee will be making sure say at the end of the day no this Chief Justice will not only be sacked but ye be say charge no say sika no a wode ma ne kunu as a per diem the air ticket wode ma ne ba ne nyina ye besa gi say sika ne nyina sa cars no wode ma justices no obo no oxide ma o ma ntuaka I want 3.7 million Ghana cedis ye begi say sika ne nyina de be go aban foto mu
it mem say omuyi no a edi emfaso na de be bre man Ghana.
Very good. Now yes, sanitize the judicial system.
Okay.
Obekanya Global Info Analytics. Echo survey. Almost survey the buy and say about 86% of Ghanaians don't trust the Supreme Court. About 76% of Ghanaians don't trust the judiciary. The national security under dapaah. Omokoye poll survey. Omo reporting about say Ghana for alusu interest in the judiciary.
Yeah.
Now a very serious security threat. DNTR and now what ya what my botai. What bed you mabo so you are ketua, ultimate to attack the papa bishe, and walk it down the street. I will be to me attack you one year mano. And he say Emra na yejuma. Because nipa nim so be obedu bonia ya china Emra besonumu. But when he got to a point, na Ghana ni who say court walk around attend training hono mu a ye believe it say emwa somebody betwe sikasi so aje wo niama we can't go anywhere. So first we need to sanitize the judiciary and no na mahama sha ase no we need to rebuild the confidence in the judiciary. We cannot have a Chief Justice who is politically biased, not only political biased, who is legally corrupt and incompetent. Wapong, we cannot have that. We cannot have a judiciary systematically MPP as a political party apake with their cronies. What be that? Sir, yetimi appointed a former parliamentary candidate of MPP to the Supreme Court. Now ye kodi case between NDC and MPP. Now ye am panel sa judge no. What be that?
Debbie.
We have a Supreme Court judge. 2020 when does Akufo Addo say form of nana and that judge was in panel say ono na nkotena opuni case so
when was na working
wanyanuga justice wanyanuga why you hini e voter region Akufo Addo ye campaign okonu krom watena kunyam ka say ade Akufo Addo the form of nana na oti Supreme Court bench so na eye enini abo asa empane so ono na ntina opuni case so when opuni trokoma justice ne say court ne say no on judge no judge na tell say politically biased yes one one e be na tra case so Kennedy Agyapong the high court judge at him or the High Court judge at him. One only say nya gas etrokoma eye anim yeboa e transfer case no e transfer judge no e the judge for na betna Kennedy Agyapong sa case so busan say sa contempt case no kosi sen kosi baby we cannot have anything na Supreme Court ni judicial and lose trust the confidence no enti number one security threat now yes sanitizing judiciary no a Ghana ni benya confidence obi ya me bone a me fatuo and seeking revenge. Yeah, I will go to the court, and now at the end of the day, justice will be administered. And in Tilmenya Tantene, when in Ghana for the door, they wanted to go to Supreme Court, but because of this, if I tell you, businessmen, you use Supreme Court as swindle or more, you can't believe it. And Kwaku Addo and Sasia, Supreme Court Justice is binum. Atna wa no matima swende agin krofo asase prime areas East Legon cantonment no nkro no ba enkrofo asase a o ma agie no a enya de ketwa enti the first thing before ora beye adwumampo no I was say shase from the judiciary na said the Jesus Christ kai say about na timo no be shase free ono ankasa na so fie no sa pepepe when we able to sanitize and clean this judiciary out of corrupt, politically biased, incompetent justices and MPP apparatchiks. The confidence in the bar. Now investors ebetumi aba be adwuma. Kennedy Agyapong Anas amfana nkoko to ha. Yeah. Ekosi say. Ye bona sem to gui. Aye. What dey kwa America no? Dey kwa brochire no. $18 million. Your several cases are where the court because say ye MPP na enini yebua get to Torkonoo hunu so ye MPP ni ntino omian political get to Torkonoo kunu no oye adwuma na court control board yeah under a year Akufo time Mahamadu Bawumia be fire no get to Torkonoo Akufo Addo then go Supreme Court yeah what did go Supreme Court no when even 1 year Anno promote the man be Chief Justice yeah okoko to justice senior mo justice e wo bench ne so Kwaku Annan wu ye do okoka create root and share no adwe so di shemi NDC no a okọ retirement no wo bone ne anu osu because na adwe nsa Akufo Addo be mana ye doche na anyo no Kwaku susu ka ho no officer Akufo Addo be mana ye Chief Justice because we dear some why wa boam pipi sa no say senior mo judge get to Torkonoo nyina ba beto na adwe nsa Akufo Addo be mana the Chief Justice ne bi wa manani eduzo okọ retirement obonani anu wo su eno aba ponti get to Torkonoo eno no kwhye ho Mahama baye wasa fire get to Torkonoo kunu because Akufo Addo ba wasa de be share na court control board and say authority and afire no and I do need no so has been fired because they are political. Na Ghana Nibia should not be proud how Akufo Addo etimi corrupted the judiciary. Say you cleaning the judicial system no we are not going anywhere as a country.
Okay, answer na baji wa homi we no no. E yanhwe ni senso. On say said ye kan we ba no ba be yi nipa no hono firo na ode ne diaba. E wo mra kwan so ma men kan sa. Ghanaian si binom adwene se ene enke be yanka said your constitution review e kosui. Enke ene nsatraye. Na nka enye mampani mum ana say ye di tumi ni man say 1 point
any future tense any future tense
nanka yema wonu mo judicial council
ye be constitutional review I because maybe we are taking the appointing authority from the president to a general legal council or whatever no the president will continue to do it and now President Mahama suspended Oko Supreme Court hono legally and procedurally I was said the senior most judge on the bench and also Tinemu as a acting chief justice and in this case Justice Bafuboni or no and I was okay when just Supreme Court so much cases were through a serious a landmark case you find the senior most ye fam penyimfo no ba kwana kwawe na no Supreme Court 2020 election petition koye justice is no motena so no ba ko pe ene na ye Mahama appointee Justice Pa asa o mama kanyina na Akufo Addo appointee
etimche say won susuo mu no say Ghana fo bisusu ka won so nka enye say ka yebema one more legal counsel for no
we should not be in a hurry to say we take that appointing authority from the president.
Really?
And then you were corrupt and biased Ghana Bar Association.
Ghana Bar Association. Corrupt and biased and politically exposed Ghana Bar Association. Ghana Bar Association under Mahama go back to history. Net check it number of statement press conferences they held, press statement release under Mahama government. Okay.
Ne kokore Akufo Addo. When Akufo Addo corrupted judiciary, when he had Attorney General telling Richard Jakpa to lie under oath so that he may incriminate Ato Forson. Then did you hear any statement from the Ghana Bar Association?
Debbie.
With all this nonsense at a course, so to the stand say yenya Chief Justice and in Yabua etimi issue order say ma obia fa Electoral Commission court to be our person Electoral Commission court of Anno Supreme Court.
It ain't no some your bias.
Talking about the higher decision body when it comes to Judicial Council, General Legal Council.
Okay.
Sir General Legal Council who on Crawford to say Sir MPP Samokuju to Sir Papa we are. Say be on Kanya Sasam da.
Oh. On Kanya Sasam da.
Samokuju to.
Na can you?
Na say we nyama mi no. One Kanya Sasam why opposite. Woman at General Legal Council or no timi suspending so su. Say I'm almost small boys and then journalist be friend Crawford mo comment on legal issues and say some be friend senior most na mo na ye friend mo because Sosu was popular.
Okay.
Sosu was defending Ghana for innocent people pro bono. They suspended him.
Okay.
And when you're politically biased, these are the people sitting on the General Legal Council. Tisaukas and Yemfasa power no come General Legal Councillor. We still meet MPP corrupt people there.
Okay, Joahome. I was for the water in KS about Hunto. Semijana. Be a cassette transmit my cassette or a cassette transfer me be.
Nana so chiao.
I mean, so
no, so I never had your pass get to Torkonoo a bomb boy, the mamma no bomb man can bomb.
Match what did you home?
Just say ya TBA here, papa. Nanso so no esan se ye nyina ye nim se penifo se achia nanso emu ye
esan be bo nyina
ye adwen se e wo se ye na ye sachirem na ye pre e konkan na sebi enioma atosin mfie nwotwe a Akufo Addo bedi man anim no wom se enioma ni bie ni enyan a sebi se o ka ho asem a enya dia sebi preduasa ya humka na so no penifo si etuo to a atwere ba mabo se penifo si de onim to so ne de gina trempon so wo hwe enioma Ghana for famu under a so-called lawyer, Akufo Addo. Our mampeni. Ya umumra bakukra.
Unso no famra ni adwuma.
On famra ni adwuma. Na fe wo ye o man ne te se de sebi eye wo no na ade bi a onfa emran hyehyɛ ne ntotoye empo ne nidie a ese fata afanya adwuma no na eyade a wo se menu mienu ye sorry ne ye bontoa na Ghana fo nyina wogide bi se baby aye kono e bedru baby no and me kra de me dru ho me o de me kokota o de me kokota me mba obie ni o de me kokota me see court order
bibi anso ensi echiri
de na besie de ya enuntina for so long a time na obi te say Akufo Addo nua bom ti we ti bonkoso we say o de me makojina court aden a wa use o man ni wiem shen na me kan sa no say wono na ye the younger brother of the president no magu na nimu ase of God man fi no kra
emu de ho asam na okan
bom ti Akufo Addo just a me no wakwa kofa kwase bia kotra ba bi say me the list wall e brew kan sem to ne so na me list wall me ma jimi nti me wo manim koso nti no ma be gina wona me de me say agumachi my lord my Satan manko oh neso so kenya sa na wo say ba esa say e wo sese ne me di ni die ma mia me ni padua no me di sa ni die ne ma oman ne mra ene ne mra asomfo se otemuani ne ka sebio wo de enye otemuani ni krampo ni padua na me bu na e wo se nka me bu mra na me court neso so me mumra na anko court because nipa na ono ye mampani no omumra
video
enti se me hwa baby ana ye free ba wo democracy ni mu no ni baby ana ye kɔ no na ani aye nyan no a na esa me se me kan tirim na de besisi anu ti na ma anko court no I needed to disrespect the court because the court had not respected itself.
Okay. Court ni mumu no.
Wo mu ne ho. Obi a me yan serve me. Na wo wakotena wakonyam say why ye default judgment. Me yan serve me. Enya say I substituted service impo yan serve me da. Wo se makoy default judgment. Me hwe na me kotena me fufuo ni me krakra kwa ho.
Na wudi ye.
And I'm say kwasia binti okafo didi kwasia binti adeya me nua ye president enti me de me hwem sen ka process be court na ma ko she judge say judge ye atemu ama me say list of the meka nyansa be busa wo enioma mienu de di kan wa adwene ye adwuma nyansa ne question first one no
yeah
owi anu wa say busa wo say na ujimi ne takasin te sen Yanwa ne say na me nua hwe ade bie no e feche democracy.
Oh yes.
Kabi ma men kabi. Thank you tie. Me ka ma adwen, also ka ma adwen. E betimi abasa wo ne me nya adwen. Na wa kire wa adwen, wo kire wa adwen a me so ma kire ma adwen. Bibi e be wi ase ne nyina na. Sebi, ya adwen be ko ban kromo en ko ban kromo. Broni fra ade bi unity in diversity. Eno na ye na nanom fra no funtum fra fu denche fra fu no. Utinko mitinko
yeah
mitin si ukonso
Debbie
nenso ye mienu ye fu ye baako amayosem a ye nyina ne tenteni ne tietie nyina ne se eye aman yo sem ye oman no
ye chichere
enti sen kan PPO NDC o ye se ye de mre ye adwuma obi aya ade a ensem fata e wo mre mu a ye de ko gina mra na nimu a na mra na catch no eje judge no emra no na ese
de emra no se
enti no hu se broni ka asem a na enti na ya na mehu a lawyer fo ni bia me fa ni die momo no titiri ni MPP lawyer ni wajimi che obia
omu
wajimi
so obia onya wo hwe ana
dabi jimi ni oni ne ko akwantu a wakun so no onim so wakun jimi ni enti me MPP lawyer bia ni wa me oni die ma no
so mu bia so nya wo hwe ana
dabi omo se oman omo bu oman no animtia MPP lawyer bia omumra onim judge pe onimumra wa bon chenkro
basa omo sua de enso
omo sua he omo nim judge keke wo se wa winning case onim judge wa ko twa bribe anas case no be kire wo ko twa bribe oh me twa bribe ama judge da
wa with you
oh yes
wo ko twa bribe e ma
yes because na me hu so on person mu di asem ne gu me so me so asem no na me gidi say me di bem na wo se me ko tua bribe me to fridge nyina
ti asem no kware die
wo mo mpe
auto fridge
me to fridge
ana de koma
yes
no
hwe se wo tena ho makwasia bi ebu kwasia do kotun sa wemu a enya fe na unya no mpo na wa betena studio wa be kire wo nsemu
debi
enu nti na me se me hu judge a oje bribe a me fa ni die ba kokura say man da
na wonim bi
oh na sa
judge sim bi oje bribe
me nim kura no anasa kire me bebre
okay
anasa kire me bebre hu lawyer ni a ne buafu anasa otua bribe Kwaku Addo chamber so
one chambers
Akufo Addo ni chamber so na ko hwe cases a na omudi a omosi anasa te omoto ko hwe ubehu enya so omunim ade omunim hu
7 years ni 3 and 4 years
me say omunim hu de omunim aye judge no because onim kwan ya be fa so e betua bribe ultimately hwe edru baby na ni penyina free democracy nim edemre show mo nsem isan say woni MPP ni nya ne first ade e beba ni tirim ni say court because unim de waye wo court wo na ukodru court ho so a wa obete wo sampedem because ya trust am na free obi office and ye dia koma judge kwasieto say judge wo na wako school awo certificate na oni pakro no try de no so no wa fail in law exams wa fail me gabby asare da ko wa fail more than 3 times wa fail in the law exams ono atimi afa kwan bi so aba be lawyer ni ama ono timi trust say judge kenkan na ye fa we nya judgment we nyina asiye edru baby na there was a chief justice no ono than NPP for women organizer
why
Torkonoo
no aye dey
what than NPP for women organizer
yeah MPP man no kon dey anim
what na che baby ayenko enti no amemo ne nye eni ye boa ena ono aka che ye say ye mampani ni Akufo Addo wa bra ye nima ba Akufo Addo nyaaye ono ko retirement ntino ene ye mpe obi a ono so betimi aye papa no eni ye bo adwuma for the first time in the history of this country a whole chief justice ye den tansa bono mi amenu akosi free for the tansa bono say wakoji adamudie $5 million enya se wakoji sika o wakoji adamudie $5 million ene bepem ne yenim asem no pum asibre because Akufo Addo na e mampani ono kwan of us obey lawyer obi anim he was sworn into office alone. He was called to the bar alone, singularly say. Ojina hon ye calling to the bar.
Tu say we nyina no se ba se maame no ye so nko tranchen ya ne kwan so no.
Oh, me kwa de ho de nyandu. No, it's long overdue. Broni beka se e was saying ka wokoda dada, was saying ka dana adwomama we ne ye na no. Ko no a resign. Samum. Oh yes. But o mu ne ho.
But no so hu se onye mfumso bia ho.
There be the better na on kronfo a waka se no ye kronfo da. Won obi a se Atta yi kura ya de ne ho tansa abo na oda
in seven prison.
In seven prison.
Ya odi sofu.
O kwasese ya, o kwasese ya Atta yi a ono a ya de emra to ne so se ono wo ye kronfo sese ya me no kase ya ne reason no nti o won sa wam ne se wo ye kronfo yi. O kwara ko bisa Atta yi se Atta yi, are you a thief? Obeka say.
Obeka so Debbie.
Oka sa Atta yi, are you an armed robber?
But say wakan ba brontie bi obenya no hu.
Eti kronfo bia no obeka so kronfo. Kronfo bia wo chi na so ene pe na mi wi aye. Enso me ke we wi sa every day for thief man, one day for master. Eti no omu ni aniwuo. Na ni nyina asem we nyina ne tofa bo ni nyina ne say. Akufo Addo didn't come with Ghana in mind. He came with only one verse from the Bible. John 10:10.
What's it say?
o before woma aje se wo bewia no wakum no wasay it will create ade bi a ye frɛ no syndicate. Now it was a criminal syndicate of family and friends. Now in that syndicate, you know, who said, you be here pussy for.
Okay.
It's my main cover dampare. You be here a judge for. It's my main cover Torkonoo. Torkonoo no, onu na yes sir, on sa a law report ye friend. It is a magazine. They say be a magazine be popular organa. African Watch on. Maybe an editor. Torkonoo na law report editor.
Okay.
It was no and a chair when a feature no the law case. Law report to him. It was no an idea Akufo Addo din system. Say Akufo Addo why landmark case. Over Kwaku Annan no dear holding Kruma case. Nyansa bia ni case bim na o ma Akufo Addo. So they eulogized the person Akufo Addo. And they overhyped Akufo Addo to extent say Ghana ni onam from kra bo Akufo Addo dia o say akwedi onimumra o ubeko nsuso no onim hu na omodede san kakran na Afenyo Akufo Addo so dwen say one good turn deserves another na o sha ase na ono so ye say na oboaboa omo tie bi ne ani ye bo a ukokofo edu adi eda ho a efe ne ye bo a ho mitimi nka no radio so.
Really?
That same Kofoidua, na mami Torkonoo ne papa chira de e wo Kofoidua a friend is saying Sectec.
Okay.
Ade si ya ma e pam papa no se wo wi ade.
Oh.
Who say enya fekura. Oh, because what you pay school fees. Ama ne bana be lawyer. Papa no ko the crèche na ko pon fa the crèche. Eja Abraham. The friend Abraham Kofi Saki.
Oh, okay.
Torkonoo mi mo misre mu nkan o.
Yes, oni mu pa.
Oh, na ni nua ba Ruby no me Ben no me. Minimum. I know them. That's that. Oh, we are so be no oti island mu. There be ameka say me nam we. Nipa ni me no. Enti fa ne se wa ko hia me se me hye kona bi mu na me ye bone a. Etu hia me fa me ho adi.
Debi.
Se wo hu me kura ma no nyi kura be yi mama. Beboa.
Oh, I don't need that.
Eti da bia na wo se nipa bia wo tu anamo ana wo hwe wachi. Because anya bia no ya anwo nko na wo ti island mu.
Debi.
Obi ani mobi. Anya bia no menya bibia na wotimi ya wo be soma driver.
Yeah.
Anya bia wo be soma wakwala. Na woni wakwala ne namfo no. Woni mo driver namfo no. Woni mo bia odi wachi. Enu tina de bia wo ya de a ma utibua ani wunni. Etu ka se hwan na kobo amane se Torkonoo ayese. Abi before na bia na shemi.
Yeah.
Eye binuma hi.
Abubakar we from Tumem.
Eye binuma ye den eye hi. Esa ni bi wo wa e wo petitions ni mu a entimi ma public o because air time. Ani wu e fere. E ba bonten a obi akura mfa ni die mama me ni biem no wawu. Anu tina president edi nyansa kwan so na wo ko liki nioma wo liki nsu kwan timi liki ni nyina ada na wo liki ni nyina ma ya hu de bottom there no de na wo bottom there no e ho na time no eti so syndicate na Akufo Addo create ye no eno na John Mahama otchere na hu se ade we it needs to be reset because I watch no battery ni nya e wo so wo yi dam na e wo battery ni film na fe wo ma ne battery papa na battery no etimi akenyan watch na mana ye adwuma meboa
Yeah, sanity.
wo wi na wa ye dey wa reset meboa
Sanity.
And now John Mahama say battery ni nye because democracy be mu no the pivot around which the democracy revolve no the justice system. Meanwhile, as it stands today, there is nothing justicial about the justice system. You say me Ghana ni a me ya wo me Ghana ha. Me koye ya ma me birth certificate. Yeah, ya tro so say na poku na ya wo no no. Adwatema na wo no. Kwaku wo na ni adwatema da ye ma ne nyim ye ma ye wo na poku. Ya wo no amekom. wo se saa de ne ntimi nkyerɛ sɛ me me Ghana ni na saa de na so me de akwa gyina honom sɛ ɛsan saa de we nti mo ntro sɛ me Ghana ni wɔ me passport mu ɛno de ya tro wo se saa passport me de akwa yɛ a kyerɛ sɛ me Ghana ni na wo saa ma me we wadwene yɛ adwuma battery ne nyɛ tie wo se yi battery ne free watch nim adwene na wu
eti battery na wo kan ne hwan
Torkonoo adwene na nyɛ adwuma no obi a wo ba me no papa boka ma papa boni okoye yentie yi na di wo school mu di anka wo ba no no hu se me papa wo brain wo hwe me Akufo Addo wan ko school ni bi oni certificate no watimi atro ma Akufo Addo we ya onu ni certificate atimi a remote control wadua ata se wo battery na se utirim na nya adwuma battery ni nye anu ti na jo mama wo se de battery no wo de mo nche hwe se battery ni ya anu ni suspension no and suspension no we list of committee members na omo ade omo kira e battery nya adwuma eto omo be yi battery no no ma to atwene ade hama abobɔ so to atwene ba bi
eti be onwa se bi omo be wi no so maame no kra ye ma ne tran chene nso so ye hwe no battery na wo kan wasem so no ne maame no battery ni nti odi yensa
ani na san kofo no so battery nyina anye dabi owe ade we ye koso yi enti pa senka o gidi se ne a lawyer for ka omobro from se prima facie case no senka omuhu bibia betimi aye ntansa me ade abono a jo mahama be risk se me de men se kwa akoka premreto you won't touch the tail of a mamba when you can't kill it they won't
baby
enti no ade no dead
battery dey wu
from the onset battery na wu ya battery na nya adwuma ti bonko so battery awu enjo mama won ti mi fa battery enya adwuma nhye water e wo say ye adwuma mu na be de no reset watch no enu nti na o si ti bonko so no o de na famra kwan so we ka jo mama me no so say me ebuga
yeah
we ka me kwa agina na mabua can one say me buy Torkonoo go home proceed on leave but when no jo mama say no too gentle do baby ane ne ko e was say ne ko but we also wa o sha udi for me do baby am say me di for but ya na me pese o man me kan kakra na onu so sheki ni ho on but onu no pusu na pusu
okay
e no ya o say that goat no pusu onu ne boko na o de ye enti we de me mesre ewom se de mra kwan na ye bibia
yeah
Ghana fo nya botre me de there are few things
okay
honyanyu ga me nuana ka bebre honto aka bebre honyanyu ga case o hwe ekwan a o fa so a o transfer judges ekwan a o fa so a ono an kasa ase judiciary ne ye ne dia ase chese yeni tumi bia asomanfo ono a naija eno bow no ene ne nsei se ya bojo Mahamadu ni nanu bi obesobre asif say jo Mahamadu ya tantan die bi na fe na ba mu be chief justice ayeden oh so some of these things me no say bia na me pede say e ka oba ye na nka wanya nuhu bi na ni wuo bi na nka wa ofere otima se ka we ye no do mu asuko yanke yan pensen mu enti media me de besi
okay
na makra atiefo say
okay
mama yemfa mpaibo enta ura jo Mahamadu it means so well obi bia unim jo Mahamadu bia no me hu say there is enoma bi e koso social media ne so about jo Mahamadu ne eye ura Akufo Addo nhyiamudi a e koso wo kwawu
yeah
pe ebia ne obi a wutie me no bia wate jo Mahamadu no bia te say the American say wo ye gentle ne nyoma enti no wadwe ye wo say wo mre jo Mahamadu onye mre ba kokra me jo Mahamadu ne mesre kura me rate me ho because obi a onka wo bone e wo wanim na mom onim wo bone no ni hu papa
okay
jo Mahamadu could smile the most beautiful smile or grin with you but mind you say enya dia sebi why your my way bone titi ni wahwia o my way and I say be a why ye or mine be a betimia more mine or sebi ato appear obeja will say because we mean near and I'm a downfall. The be a me ana me the Abuga Pele ababe shame say Abuga Pele is closer to John Mahama than Akufo Addo, than even Onwan Kasane Yonko Brebo Julius Debra.
Okay.
His most loyal friend.
Okay. And
brother. Now so no asamba ye no wan kase Abuga entino munya no manenko. Meboa.
Yeah.
So mamu maye mane nya te se wo akohia no ntino John Mahama wagya bibia manaka da bi. John Mahama won te sa. Emu bi no me say me hu picture na I wasn't happy. But say o cognitive when he had juma obedwen when we say John Mahama yi na wakai we say John Mahama one was rekwa no ka say no nwom no
yeah
ai obetimi ni wasere kwa enti no mamu maye nwe say bia woni Akufo Addo akohia nti ebi kura na wo maka wo masem wo dem enti say bibia ye pepepe da bi
okay
say ora no Attorney General and Minister for Justice ora Dr. Ayeni ohwehwem na ho ntansa abowa enye Akufo Addo na ebe fa fon na akofre ye friend say Mahama say oh Johnny we dey me nkola iba ko ho aka na jano na eja ye nka ni fiasem Ghana asem ni fiasem
debi
enti no mahu samanfo twabo ora Mahama kakra me kura no me reho kakra but to think deeply about who John Mahama is no I don't think say that meeting no on say when there is too much tension in town emma nkitahudie bi nso ntimi nkoso ye mu nso no yakoye oman aye dan kofo and sometimes no bo say these things no bring about some form of togetherness be on say unity of purpose be
yeah
but it does not mean say obi akoye boni bi etia oman no ana wadi oman ni sika ana bibia eno no sa meeting no akoye ade a afi tension na free ho nti no Akufo Addo betimi afa phone say oh jai ye friend say akoya edubu ahia wo no akoto dan makoma ko 27 na John Mahama simeja no ase wo jana anya wono ne waja no wo na wo do ho akoto asemu
okay
enti no me de madwen ye me say sa nyoma no mom ye ma eno mra fom kakra
okay
na ye focus so Cecilia ya oba ye ya senka Akufo Addo betima aka chen say oh jai chief justice man entra wo they say was suspending the camera ama Torkonoo Kofi akwa Torkonoo
okay
enti no babia wodi ni bedru no Torkonoo ai Torkonoo e o fi enti
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.